Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to avoid late fees with Capital One. So if you've been wondering how to avoid late fees with Capital One, this video is for you. We're not going to waste any time. It's going to be a really quick one, so let's just jump straight into it. Now the first thing you want to do is to set up automatic payments. So you got to set automatic payments up to ensure timely payments, and that way you get to avoid late fees. The second is to make timely payments. So if at all you don't want to set automatic payments, by simply just making your payments on time, it's gonna help you to avoid having to pay late fees. Next is to review payment due dates, and that's going to ensure timely payment. So you're going to be able to make timely payments only when you know what dates your due dates, and that way you get to plan ahead of time and make the payments ahead of schedule. So yeah, that's going to save you having to pay late fees. Also, you want to contact Capital One's customer support if you have any questions or concern about late fees. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to avoid late fees with Capital One. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.